For this project, I am using two 12 by 12 squares of Cuddle Fabric, a strip of Cuddle Fabric for the lips. The teeth are made from Stiffen interfacing from Fairfield World. I've got a 12 by 15 inch piece of fur fabric and then Poly-Fil Fiberfill, also from Fairfield World. I'm starting out by folding one of the squares of the Cuddle Fabric in half. I've got the right side out. So this is going to make like the lower jaw of our monster pillow. I'm pinning that just to hold it in place. And then now I'm folding a thin strip of the pink Cuddle Fabric, also with the right side out. And I'm going to pin it up to the top there so that I can stitch it together in a little bit. So I've got the right sides of the fabric out, and once I sew along that line there, it'll make more sense. Now I'm going to pin the teeth in place. I went with 4 teeth. I mean, you could do 1, you could do 2, you could do none. I mean, that's kind of the fun of this project, is you can customize it and make every monster different and unique. Once you've got everything pinned in place, you're just going to sew right along that top edge so that when you flip it up, see that? Now the teeth are in the mouth where they need to be. So now I'm placing that lower jaw area, as I'm calling it, onto the 12 by 12 square of Cuddle Fabric, again with the right side out. So this is what the front of my pillow is going to look like. Now, I am putting the right side of the fur fabric on there, and I flipped it over so that you can see the bottom side lines up, but I've got an extra piece on top, which we're going to leave open for now. So I'm going to pin this together and stitch those 3 sides together, like you see I magically did there. And when I flip it inside out, I've got the front of my monster face with his little mouth there that can open up. Of course, I got to take those pins out. There we go. Now we can see inside his cute little monster mouth. And I am going to stuff the pillow using my Poly-Fil Fiberfill, which is really soft and just great for toys and small crafts like this. It's perfect for We Make for Good projects because you can get a whole bunch at low cost and just fill a lot of these little pillow monsters to gift and give away. So after I finished filling my Worry Monster pillow, I'm going to fold over that extra section of the fur there, and see, that makes like a cute little bang. It'll close everything up. The stitches are easy to hide, and I think it really adds some character to the pillow and to the face. So I'll pin those in place, and then I'm going to hand stitch that closed. The last step is to add some cute button eyes to finish off our Worry Monster pillow face. Since these will be used by kids, you want to use a coated thread, something that's really strong. If you want to reinforce it with fabric glue, you could do that. Just make sure they're stitched on tightly. Kids can write down their worries or their what ifs and feed it to their little monster. And they can always flip it over and use the soft side as a pillow. So it's a win-win.